What are your opinions on the Janoskians? If you don't know about the Janoskians, search them on YouTube. And what do you think about Damien Fizzy? If you don't know who Damien Fizzy is, search him too. I love them both. Family. Sorry, I just copied the guy on the screen talking. I'm watching Dark Shadows. Ooh.